Andra, a long time me turn up and wash them the clothes there, you know. And me no see no soda at all in the water. Plus me no hear a crispy sound. You know what that mean?
Mama, me no know what that mean, you know.
That means that he clothes they now wash good.
But Mama, that no make no sense.
So a lie me a tell. You take me feel liar. Ask any Jamaican if you think a lie me a tell. When you a wash clothes, you happy hear a crispy sound. Otherwise, the clothes they no wash good. Andra, you pass the sod still they give me, make me show your clothes for wash.
What this here box?
Alright. You put this over there so for me. First of all, you say water starts so because you put in the sod still in there, as so close and let me tell you, see there? Crispy. If you not hear it, crispy sound now wash. And see, as me pour the sod still in there. You know young people don't know. Oh, me have to teach you no things.